Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Liakat's Kids English. This is class 3-4 batch 4 and I'm your Anika Miss. How are you everyone?
How are you, Miss? I'm fine, thank you, Andy.
Alhamdulillah, I'm also fine. Okay, so our long vacation has ended and our class has started. So after the vacation, this is our first class, right?
Yes, Miss.
And again, you guys are getting off for the heat wave. So I hope you are drinking enough water to be hydrated and also avoid going out from 12 p.m. to 3 p.m. Okay, that will be better for you because that is the dangerous time for the heat wave and all. So today we are going to start our class with a writing task. And let me share my screen. Hi, Amreen.
Assalamu alaikum, Miss.
Walaikum salam, Yashna. How are you?
I'm fine. মিস অ্যাকচুয়ালি আমি 1 মান্থ ধরে একটু অসুস্থ ছিলাম তো আমার জ্বর ছিল পক্স হয়েছিল এন্ড তাই 1 মান্থ আমি ক্লাস করতে পারিনি।
Okay, how are you now? Is it all okay?
ইয়েস মিস।
Okay, Alhamdulillah. Take care of yourself and inshallah we will continue our class. Okay?
ওকে মিস।
Okay. So can you see the screen? Yes, everyone?
Yes,
Okay. So as I have already mentioned that today's class is going to be our writing task and our topic is Eid holiday. What is the topic? Eid holiday. And you have to write like 8 to 10 sentences about your Eid vacation. And I'm going to give you 10 minutes as it has already passed and it was like 10 days ago. So it is going to be in past tense. You guys have to write your sentences in past tense. So I'm going to give you 10 minutes and your time starts now.
মিস অ্যাকচুয়ালি কি বলা হয়েছে নেট প্রবলেমের কারণে শুনতে পারিনি আমি।
আমি বলেছি ঈদ হলিডে নিয়ে তোমাদের হচ্ছে লিখতে হবে এবং ঈদ হলিডে যে লিখবে সেটা হচ্ছে তোমার ঈদের দিনে এক্সপিরিয়েন্স গুলো আসবে এবং 8 থেকে 10টা লাইন লিখবে এন্ড তোমার টাইম হবে 10 মিনিট এন্ড সব
ওকে মিস।
পাস্ট টেন্সে ইন দ্য পাস্ট টেন্স
ওকে মিস।
ওকে
মিস।
ইয়েস বাবা
মিস আমি এটা কিভাবে লিখবো বুঝতে পারছি না।
রুদ্র রুদ্র বুঝতে পারছো না কিভাবে লিখবে Okay, you can write about your Eid day experience, like what you did on the day. When did you get up? Did you buy new dress? Where did you visit? Okay, this type of things. What did you eat? এগুলো. And how was your day? It was fun or not? This type of lines.
মিস আমি অ্যাকচুয়ালি বুঝতেছি না যে কিভাবে লিখবো।
Okay, Amreen, you can start like when did you wake up on the Eid day? Then what did you do? Like you freshen up, you take a bath. Then what did you eat? What your mother cooked? And then you wore your Eid dress. Then you get salamis. This type of lines. Okay. Okay, you have 1 minute left. Okay, your time is finished. Who has done? কার শেষ হয়েছে?
আমি 8 নম্বরে আছি।
Okay, it's all right. You can talk about it. যে যতটুকু লিখেছো সেটুকু আমাকে পড়ে শোনাও, ঠিক আছে? So, Rudra, can you start now?
I get up in the morning at 10 p.m. I visit a
Okay,
city show.
তুমি কি লিখেছো I wake up or I woke up?
Miss, I get up লিখেছি।
Get up, আচ্ছা। তোমার প্রেজেন্টে হয়ে গেল, তাহলে ফার্স্টে কি লিখতে হবে? বেটার হয় তুমি লিখো I woke up, WOKE, I woke up at the morning.
মিস, বুঝতে পারিনি।
I woke up. Woke up এর বানান আমি লিখে দিচ্ছি চ্যাট বক্সে, WOKE, আপ। এটার অর্থ হচ্ছে ঘুম থেকে জাগা।
মিস
Okay,
লিখে
start.
ঠিক আছে। I woke up in the morning 10 p.m. I visit
বাবা 10 AM, PM দিয়ে তো রাত বুঝায়, সকাল কখন? AM না? Yes, 10 AM.
I visit a স্মৃতিসৌধর, বাংলাদেশ সামরিক জাদুঘর and metro rail.
I visited. কি হবে? Visited. Okay, next.
I eaten home food.
I ate a lot of home cooked food. I ate a lot of home cooked meal. Next.
I play Uno card.
Okay, I played Uno with my cousin or friends.
মিস বুঝিনি।
Okay, did you play it with your cousin or with your friends?
No miss.
একাই খেলেছো? Uno একা খেলেছো?
Grandfather and grandmother.
Okay, then you need to write I played Uno with my grandparents. Okay, next.
We watch TV shows in together.
Okay, we watch TV shows together at the evening. Okay, আরো কিছু লিখেছো?
Yes miss.
Okay,
My father day is 11 days.
my father, আবার বলো তো?
My father of day is 11 days.
Okay, my father gave or got 11 days vacation. Okay. Next line.
I visit on Chandranath Pahar.
Okay, I visited Chandranath Pahar mountain.
I shopping a 3 jeans pant and 1 t-shirt, 1 Punjabi and 1 watch.
Okay, so many shopping. I bought হবে, ঠিক আছে? কিনেছিলাম, shopping না তো হবে bought. I bought many things for Eid like কাপড় কিনেছি, পাঞ্জাবি, shirt, pants, jeans, etc. Okay, next line.
Miss, I লিখতে পারিনি।
Okay, thank you. Now who wants to go next? Yashna, are you done? Yashna শেষ হয়েছে?
নো মিস, আমার আর এক লাইন মনে হয় বাকি।
আচ্ছা, finish it. How about Amreen?
Miss.
Okay, Amreen, start.
My Eid holidays. In my Eid holiday, I went to Mila in my grandfather's house. In Eid day,
At my grandparents' house. Okay,
at
next.
my grandfather's house.
Yeah.
In Eid day, me and my cousins got up early in the morning.
Okay, I
Then
repeat, early in
we
the morning.
took bath and wear new dresses. My mother and aunties cooked delicious food. My
Yes.
father and uncles went to the Idgah for prayers.
Very good.
After cooked and prayers, we all ate delicious food. Then we took salami from all. I enjoyed my Eid holidays very much. It was a memorable.
It was a memorable day. Okay, it was a memorable day. Okay, after finishing cooking and coming back from Salah, we ate delicious food together. Then, একটা line হচ্ছে we took salami from our elders. Okay, Amrit? Okay, Amrit, thank you. It was really good. The lines were good. Okay, Sheji Terujan.
Miss are reclined.
Okay, Anamitra, can you start? Okay.
My Eid holiday was really fun. I went to several places like restaurant, mandir, and lake. The restaurant was a Chinese restaurant. I ate delicious food there. I bought a basket from Dhanmandi Lake. At the mandir, I saw puja was going on. I was listening what things are saying. It was fun there too. I bought a doll from there. Every Eid day in the evening, I went a walk with my father.
এই লাইনটা আমি বুঝিনি, আবার একটু বলো তো। লাস্ট লাইনটা আমি বুঝতে পারিনি। সে এগেইন। I bought a doll from there. তারপর কি লিখেছো?
Every Eid day in the evening, I
Okay, Anamitra, I can't hear you. Can you hear me, guys?